I threw him in the trunk of the car and jammed off the pier. Come on, papi, man, it ain't that far down the block, man. Come on, be like the old days, papi, be fun, be fun. There comes the pain!
Break out the band and the clock and get rid of you. Up, get it up. Break out the band and the clock and get rid of you. Up, get it up. Body full of people. Break out the band and the clock and get rid of you. Up, get it up. Break out the band and the clock and get rid of you. Up, get it up. Body full of people.
Hanging out the window, holding tight to my murder weapon. Hit the lights, creep up slow. Bullet leg, catching your ass slipping. Glock popping, busters dropping, niggas ducking from this shit. Mask on my face, no description of who made this hit. Bitches thinking who was it? Bitch, it was 666. Devil thoughts, evil thoughts, trizzy business. I just click media puzzle, no suspects, only victims laying dead. Shells laying in their bodies since the fucking bullet lit. Now niggas in the morgue, and I could give a fuck less. Keep my business quiet as kept. Mothers in their black dress, headed back to my fucking hood. Project Bowen, Bridge Grove, hustle raise, gangster raise, business up in Davy. Cause not sorry, you're the one. Got me reaching for my hip. No friends in the game, in the spot, victim on my clip. Fuck all you busters, step and you're gonna die. Coming at your ass, victim of a fucking drive-by.
Break out the band and the clock and get rid of you. Up, get it up. Break out the band and the clock and get rid of you. Up, get it up. Body full of people. Break out the band and the clock and get rid of you. Up, get it up. Break out the band and the clock and get rid of you. Up, get it up. Body full of people.
Straight from the north, bitch. Rich Grove is my stomping ground. You niggas don't make a move. You bitches don't make a sound. Sold out gangster and nigga Glock. Back and forth the 9-4. Tellin' all you punk busters, man. Bring that shit to the door. I'm able to fade a boat. No nigga can fuck with this. You talk all that bullshit till your mouth goes my fucking fist. I'm jacking 5,000, bitch. So go home and get your gat. You better take up a hoe, cause this shit is on like that. Squeezing my fucking trigger, blasting to take your life. Yo niggas done got them down, so you have to pay the price. Jumped in the fucking ride, loaded up mic from head to toe. I put out a sack of ink, rolled up as we start to blow. My gat is tight in my hand, it's too late to break and run. My bullets ejected, bitch. Got shot down by town, flowers on the spree. Killing, see, where